Hey guys, it's Wolverine Gamer 16 back, and we're doing the. This is my cousin. That's my cousin. This is Lake Huron. It's pretty cool. There's the seagulls. But you know, seagulls. Seagulls, 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 seagull, 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 kill! Seagull. Look at the mom. Well, whatever the thing is. But it's covering up some kind of egg. I don't know. Another one. Sir, Seagull power! I am your father, Seagull. Hi. And this is Wolverine Gamer 16 Calcaterra. Hi. This is mucky and gross. It's mucky and gross. It is gross and mucky. Trust me. Gross and mucky, trust me. Yeah, this is our secret destination. It is Caseville, Michigan. Caseville, Michigan. This is Lake Huron. That is our mystery vacation. It took us so long to get here, but we finally made it. Look at all those seagulls. My subtitle's gonna be Seagull Power. Look at, I found foot tracks. Look at the foot tracks. Oh my god. Yeah. Seagull foot. Hey! Seagull foot tracks. And Nathan's foot track. And Seagull Power. Oh, look at, I never got that close to the seagull. Literally, it was right in front of me, right there. And it was literally me back, it was like right there. Probably, that is a four-wheeler, I believe. Here's the water. We are going back to where our hotel is. We're going back to our hotel.
We're going back to the hotel room?
Yeah, we're going back to the hotel.
That's it for this video. Check my next video, Pokemon Go.
Yeah, we're doing a Pokemon Go video with our cousin, hopefully. So yeah, should be pretty cool. We're on our way back to the, sorry, I'm putting it down so nobody gets their face into it, but here's the set of Marley's new video. Yeah. So we're on our way back, and I know. Forgot about that. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So yeah.
Who passed out during the day? I was. Wow. Not me.
That's cheating.
That whole thing, that fight would be gone. I'd be like, oh, you're going so hard.
That should be pretty cool. Head back to our hotel room. It's Bella Vista. Really good. You should really get in booked. And if you want to go next year, you need to book it January 1st, 2017. Book them that fast. So, yeah. So that should be cool. So, yeah, this is it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.